maghintay. Okay. Who will open first?
I will
Hindi,
Dapat yung
Mama
meron ako.
first.
Sige.
Hindi,
Ako ba muna?
ikaw yung muna. Mama
Who will
first.
open first?
Who will open? Mama or Zoe? Zoe, open! Zoe! Wow!
Wow!
2 chocolate!
Si Mama will open.
Mama. How about Mama? 1 chocolate!
Oh,
How
what
about
about
Dada?
Dada? How about Dada?
Open it. Ay! No chocolate for Dada!
No chocolate for Dada.
Dada got no chocolate.
Dada got no chocolate.
For Dada, you got 2. Mama got 1. Dada has none.
Dada has none.
Zoe has 2.
Zoe has 2.
What will Zoe do?
What will Zoe do? 2 chocolates. 2 chocolates.
Chocolate for
What will
Zoe.
Zoe do?
Mama has 1.
No chocolate.
Dada got 2 chocolate.
Dada got no
Dada.
chocolate for Dada. No chocolate. Hungry. Dada hungry. Dada hungry. Dada hungry. What will Zoe do?
Are you going to share yours to Dada? Share one with Dada? Huh?
Ano ba niya yung chocolate yan?
Kinain namin ito kanina eh. 2. Dada, there's not how many.
No chocolate, Dada. No chocolate? Namagat ko, no?
What will Zoe do? Will Zoe share? Share with Dada?
Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya.
Both are Zoe's? Huh? How about Dada? Aren't you going to share with Dada? 1? Are you going to share one with Dada? Dada, you like? You ask Dada. You want Dada?
Ayaw niya. Ikaw talaga.
Share with... Ayun o. 1 for Dada.
Ay!
Ay!
Nag-1 for
Nag-share!
Dada. Kailangan i-kiss po.
Yay! Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
O,
you,
eat na natin.
Zoe. Let's eat.
Eat natin.
Ching, ching. Nag-share siya, pero ang tagal niya pinag-isipan.
Ganyan.
Hindi, parang tinitignan niya.
Yay! Very good,
Tapos
Zoe.
nilagay niyang ganun.
Very good,
But
Zoe.
Lola doesn't have chocolate.
We don't have.
You share with Lola? You want to share with Lola?
Give Lola. Half. Half.
Oh,
very
magbibigay din
good.
kay Lola.
Thank you, Zoe.
That's chocolate.
Okay. Ayaw niya yun.
Kaya umaga ka na inamin.
Oh,
Bite only,
Bite
small
lang.
bite.
yan.
Share na with Lola. Share the half na.
Oh.
Wala ka ba eh? Dito ka nga para makita ko. Ay! Kabait ba eh?
Wow! Thank you.
Kabait ba eh?
Love you, Zoe. Love you, Zoe.
Very good. Yes.
Okay, I will give you back.
See, kainin niyo na. Parang half lang kainin.
Hindi
Huh?
naman kumakain to.
Very good.
Mama na lang.
Thank you, Zoe.
Thank you, Zoe.
Bait naman,
Very
Zoe.
good, girl.
Very good girl.
Yay!
Where's your water? Water.
Drink water.
You pass.
Pass the test.
Yung patience test naman next time. Yung meron siya